Hey guys, welcome to Etsy Print on Demand Shop Reviews. This is episode number 82, and I'm excited to look at a new viewer submitted shop, review it, see what they do well, what they can improve upon. Hopefully we can all learn together. All right, let's get to it. All right, the shop we're looking at today is called Ye Curiosity Shop. Sounds pretty interesting. 205 sales to date out of LA, California. And it looks like a lot of digital art, dare I say, like AI generated art. At least some of these are these, what does it say? Wall hanging, living room decor. Okay, so it's wall art. So maybe it's, hey, this could have been painted by a person too. So it's either maybe AI generated art, but it is in fact print on demand. It is wall art. So I was incorrect initially. What kind of sucks though is, with the advent of all of this kind of easy to manufacture on demand, even if it's not AI generated art, let's be real, it probably is. It's more than likely. When we see these on Etsy, that's what comes into our mind first. If you don't make it very clear that this is wall art, which I don't think you did, then people may get confused into thinking you're selling an $18 digital download, and that's not working to your favor. Whereas this one is in fact digital art, all right? And that is, and I mean, again, look at how you framed it. You framed this one right here, the blue lady, the avatar, basically the exact same way that you framed the wall art. And there needs to be some sort of a distinction there, right? Like, I am a fan of adding little call outs, little pop outs on your primary thumbnail for almost any product with something relevant to the product type. You know what I mean? So if it's a shirt, you could say something like more colors available, or you could say available in 5 colors, like something like that, right? With digital art, maybe you say something like instant download, and then people know, okay. And then with the wall art, whether you say something or you just show it with the image, I think something in the image should be there. And by the way, I mean, look, like Etsy doesn't even, they show almost nothing of the title. So for me to even know that it was wall art, I had to click and open the image or open the listing and read your title there. So that's not working to your favor. I think that's pretty safe to say, and it can be improved upon. Like these notebooks, I know it's a notebook. That being said too, you know Etsy allows us to crop. So I would zoom in on the notebook and allow it to occupy as much of the thumbnail as possible. You're leaving a lot of like empty space here on these, you know, notebook thumbnails. You can definitely do better. I know you can. You get some dark stuff here. Interesting. So these are a lot of just digital downloads that you're charging $5 for. So Vampire King, digital print, art deco, wall art, home decor, portrait, gothic horror, dark fantasy. And so you're limiting the number of digital files available. It's interesting. Yeah, so I wonder if this has to be AI art, right? You got some Halloween mugs. Now, if you're going to charge $22 for a coffee mug, I mean, it just is a high list price. I know on Etsy people will buy it if they like it enough, but I don't know that there's enough that's special about your designs over here. Scream Queen and Final Girl. I don't know if there's enough there. Like maybe perhaps try to frame it in a different way that maybe makes the design look better, or maybe spend more time on the design. I don't know. I'm personally just kind of sharing that I don't think it's the best design ever. You know, This Witch Loves Christmas. I think this is an asymmetric design that could probably be improved upon. I mean, I don't love it, just being honest. Like, that's why we do these reviews, right? I'm not a huge fan of that design. I think if you're not really good at design, perhaps just go with symmetric designs. Nice way of keeping things pretty simple. What else? You got some watermarks on your digital art. That's pretty interesting. 2023, if you sign up, it'll help you get your first sale. And down there, you'll find a link to my Print on Demand Facebook group. I hope you'll join the community. What else? Let's see. You have a lot of sections too, so good utilization of sections. So you're actually selling woodcuts. So this is actually can you actually sell woodcuts, or is this just woodcut theme? I guess it's woodcut theme. Yeah, it's not actually sending a piece of wood. Otherwise, the price would be a lot higher. That's why I was squinting at the pricing. Like, there's no way that a piece of wood is getting shipped for that low of a price. It looks like it's just in woodcut theme, but I like that as a style of wall art. Honestly, that is interesting. Woodcut wall art. Let's see what else is out there. You have some wall art of of the inside of a tree. Some of it is actually made of wood, and not that expensive actually, some of these. So I decided to jump on over to Everbee really quickly and analyze the term woodcut. Is this something that customers are going to Etsy and searching for? And it turns out the answer is yes, they are. It looks like the search volume, roughly 1,300 searches. Competition, though, vastly exceeding that. So not exactly a high value search term. And then also a lot of similar keywords, kind of what we just experienced when we looked for similar products, like woodcut as a design style for wall art. Looks like it probably gets easily confused with, and we know like if you run Etsy ads, this is definitely going to happen, gets confused with like wood cutting, wood cuts. Well, I guess wood cuts maybe, but wood cutting, it's not related to cutting wood, right? Woodcut, custom wood cutting, custom woodcut, woodcut name, laser wood cutting. So there's definitely demand for this style though. If there's one takeaway from the search volume that we see here, related to woodcut specifically is what I typed into the search bar, and related keywords. All I'm saying is I like the idea. I like the idea of what you've got going on. You know what I mean? And you're definitely going to look like the most affordable option next to all these people who are actually selling real woodcut. You know what I mean? And at a glance, I think it looks like yours looks quite a bit similar. And also, I mean, you went out of your way and you cropped this one. You know what I mean? Like, look at how you cropped this one. You did a great job cropping that. You didn't just leave it fully zoomed out like this. So I do like that you did that. It shows that you understand, right? And some of these that you didn't do the cropping on, you just need to get back in there and try it again. Clip art and backgrounds. So you're selling your own clip art, bundles. Yeah, I mean, I mentioned that like my most successful digital download is a bundle of individual digital downloads that I do sell individually as well, but the bundle sells better, and every time it sells, I get a better rank. I mean, ideally, right? It sends a signal to the algorithm that hopefully I'll get better organic rank in the future. I think we've done, you know, enough looking at your art. It is definitely evident that you like a certain niche, the more dark stuff. Ye Curiosity Shop. I didn't know what to expect, but here we are. And it looks like you offer a variety of products. One thing you could potentially consider is honing in on a specific product type, whether it's wall art, whether it's digital, whether it's the notebooks, whether it's the woodcut style wall art. I think you should consider honing in on one thing and really going for it. This one I thought was unique. I thought it stood out as something that, like, from an art style perspective, you know, maybe you're onto something. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please drop a like on it if you did. Let the YouTube algorithm know. Please subscribe if you're not already. Drop me any comments, feedback, etc. in the comment section. Also, check out my full print-on-demand course, which walks you through how to start, scale, and automate your print-on-demand business. I show you my exact methods that allowed me to make six-figure profits every year from print-on-demand since 2019. So I hope you'll check that out. Link in the description. Guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow with a new top 5 niches of the week video.